Okay, good morning, students. Today we are going to deal the last selling theory of marketing specialization, that is behavioral equation theory according to your syllabus. Okay, that is known as what? Behavioral equation theory. This is a very important theory in the entire selling process theory. Using a stimulus response model and incorporating findings from behavioral research. Okay, and J.A. Howard explains buying behavior. One of the eminent scholar whose name is what? J.A. Howard, Howard, J.A. Howard, which explains buying behavior in terms of the purchasing decision process viewed as phases of the learning process. Okay, according to the Howard, he has given this formula. This is according to this formula, B equals to P into D, B equals to P into D into K into V. Okay, this J.A. Howard has given this theory, this formula, which is being considering the behavioral equation theory. Okay, where we talk about the B, then B stands for what? Response, means act of purchasing a brand. The very first one is what? The very first one is the B, which is known as what? Response, the act of purchasing a brand. This act of purchasing a brand or response is what? That what are those different types of conditions, problems, situations, circumstances, as well as the internal and external factors which is being considered by a customer, on the basis of which they show their responses. That is known as what? B is what? Response. How they show their response, how they make themselves in such a state on the basis of which they are going to purchase the products. At last, the decision is being taken by the customers that they are going to purchase the currencies, they are going to pay the money, and they are going to purchase the products. That is known as what? Response, which is being considered by various factors, which is being considered by all those undertakings, which is being focused or concentrated on a buying behavioral equation theory. Okay, that is known as what? B, response, act of purchasing a brand. That B is equals to what? The very first one is what? P. You can find it here, P. P, predisposition or the inward response tendency. Okay, P stands for what? Predisposition. You can see here P stands for predisposition or the inward response tendency. Okay, this is what? A force of habit. As we know that every person, you people, I, and most of the people do have various kinds of habits. Purchase or buying is also a kind of habit, which is a behavior, which is a kind of what? Which is a kind of behavior, purchase behavior, habit. That this habit is being inculcated in the customers, from where they just try to purchase the products. Some people do have a strong habit which forces them to purchase more and more. Some people do have medium habits. Some people do have lower habit. Some people do have meager habits. It means that they are having very less tendency to move in the market for purchasing the products. Okay, for getting the products. They don't have the tendency, they don't have the calculating power, they don't have the analysis power on the basis of which they can purchase the product. So the very first P is what? predisposition or the inward response tendency, that a kind of tendency is being generated inside the customers which enforces the customer to move ahead for the purchase of the product. Okay, the second, according to the equation, P predisposition and D, if we talk about the D, then here D stands for present drive level. Exactly, the D stands for present drive level. This is also a very important factor according to this equation, behavioral equation theory, that what are those motives, what are those instincts which stimulates, which drives a customer to move ahead for the purchase of the products. Okay, what are those things which drive them so that they move ahead for the purchase of the products? Means the amount of motivation, what kind of amount of motivation is being generated in the mind of customers. Okay, how it has been generated, what degree of motivation is being generated by the sellers or the salesperson in the mind, in the psychology of the customers. That is known as what? D, present drive level. That is the degree of motivation or instinct which is being generated by a salesperson in the psychology of a customer. Okay, and the third, according to the formula, P, D, and third one is K. Here K, if we talk about the K, then K stands for incentive potential. K stands for what? Incentive potential. Incentive potential means what? In this K is a very important thing, that is known as what? Incentive potential. When the customers is being motivated, the degree of level of motivation is being generated by the salesperson, then a condition of K, which is known as what? A behavior generated inside the customers that fights with the customer's satisfaction and dissatisfaction, which fights with the customer two levels, that is the positiveness and the negativeness. Okay, that is known as what? Incentive potential. If the positive part of the customer overcomes the negative part, then the customer's buying behavior is being increased many folds. And if the negative part of the customer is overcoming, is covering the positive part, then the customers is being, the distance of the customer from the product is being getting very far. The distance is being increasing, and the customer's purchase decision related to the products is slowly making a distance. Okay, and that distance becomes longer and the customers quits. Okay, so this is what? A very behavioral condition where the customers put themselves on a state of satisfaction and dissatisfaction. The part of satisfaction and dissatisfaction is being fought inside the customers so that a proper decision is being taken by the customers. Okay, and according to the formula, the last one is V. Okay, here if we talk about this V, then V stands for intensity of all cues. Here stands for intensity of all cues. Exactly, intensity of all cues means what? If the customer's satisfaction part, the positive part, is very much strong and overcomes the negative. Suppose this is negative and this is positive, and this positive part is overcoming and satisfying and clearing all the negative doubts, then at that time a kind of cue, a kind of cues means all those cues which is being generated by the negative part, which triggers in the mind of the customers the information of positive, and sound information will covers, will grasp all those things. Okay, that is known as what? V. And if that positive is not capable to cover it, to solve all the negative problems, the cues which is being triggered in the mind of the customers, then it becomes, then the negative engulfs the positive part. Okay, and at that time the negative will make the customers distance from the product. Okay, and the informations which they got from the salesperson. So this is a theory which is being given by a scholar known as J.A. Howard, H-O-W-A-R-D, Howard, that is known as what? Behavioral equation theory, with the help of formula B equals to P into D into K into V. Okay, students, thank you to all of you.